probably dead.
I feel ya. This year, you get thousands of free movies and shows like Stay on Demand. I'm stuck with Saturday. I just want to scream. Hey.
Let's go. Also, thousands of hit TV shows and movies.
They could go on forever.
He's not joking. He's fine.
You're so happy.
He doesn't like that.